Hey everybody, welcome back to our property tour series, and I'm really excited about this one because we have something different.
Yes. I'm Miko.
And I'm Rob.
And we're
Wander Open Roads.
We sold everything and moved abroad with 10 suitcases.
And now we're sharing our life as expats in Panama and beyond.
So if you're interested in relocating, life abroad, or visiting Panama, subscribe to our channel.
And check out our free resources at wanderopenroads.com/resources. Hey, so today we are checking out a 3-story duplex in Albrook.
Yes, so this is very different than what we've done before. We're trying to show some different options. Not everybody wants to stay right in the heart of the city, so we're just showing some things just a little further out. Now, quick disclaimer before we start. We're touring these properties from a renter-buyer perspective using our property checklist. We're not realtors, and all the pricing shown is the actual list price at the time of filming.
Yeah, and we mainly focus on Panama City because it has the best infrastructure, transit, healthcare, and the largest expat community in Panama, which also means that the prices may be a little higher than people expect.
Yes, now cheaper properties exist. We know that, but we're primarily showcasing the types of properties many expats from the U.S. are typically looking for in terms of comfort, amenities, and lifestyle.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look.
Hey Matthew, I am excited. It's our first time checking out the Clayton Albrook neighborhoods, and it is so different out here.
It's a completely different vibe. It's still considered part of Panama City, but you'll notice right away, green space, larger homes. We're gonna check out a duplex, and it's fantastic.
All right, I'm excited. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Thank you, sir. All right, so this is a Panamanian garage.
You're always gonna see open air garages here. A closed garage is very rare because of the humidity problem. The mold inside a garage where the air is still, you're asking for it.
I can understand that.
Because this is a 3-level home, you actually have a tool shed, you've got another workstation, and then the laundry room is very common in single-family homes to have the laundry room outside of the house.
Okay, yeah, and it's really nice storage right here. I like that. Yeah, that's great. I always need more storage.
Well, look, you got plenty of storage down here. This is what would be considered like the maid's room.
Okay.
And they consider it to a workstation.
Oh, wow. Okay. And we have a bathroom.
Yeah, full bath.
Yeah, a full bath. Very nice. Check this out. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. So when I'm out here working on projects and I'm all hot and sweaty, I can get cleaned up before I come in the house, right?
Very easy. Miko won't kick you out.
Exactly. Just venting, yeah.
Right, you got the venting so it doesn't get too hot. You got the tankless water heater here that powers the entire home, plus the washer and dryer.
And a little utility sink here.
Exactly right.
Yeah. Lots of space, like I said, open air venting. Yeah. So it works.
And this home was constructed in 1974, so it's solid.
That's good. All right, so my first impression walking this here is, wow. I mean, that's beautiful. Look at this.
I mean, it was built in 1974. They were building homes a little differently back then.
Yeah.
Super high ceilings, big windows to allow a lot of natural light. It's an impressive view when you first walk in.
I love that. Yeah, I mean, I love views and just, the wow factor when you first walk in.
Completely.
Yeah.
And I love that what they've done is actually turned this downstairs space into another master suite. So you've got a lot of private space. They've got a kitchenette inside of there. So in the middle of the night when you want a glass of water, it's right here. You don't have to go upstairs to the kitchen.
Or a sandwich.
Exactly right.
Let's see it.
Right. You got the master suite down here.
Wow, with your own kitchen.
You get your own kitchenette. You get that sandwich in the middle of the night.
That sandwich in the
right?
middle of the night.
You
That's
don't
right.
A really big master bathroom, and then wait till you see the walk-in closet.
Okay. Dual sinks. Yeah. Lots of cabinet space. And nice tall ceilings. I like that. Of course, you have your window for your venting when you're taking your shower, because a lot of bathrooms do not have fans. So open that window. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice big shower in here with a seat. And the waterfall feature there. I like that. Yeah. So after I make my sandwich, then I go into the walk-in closet. Oh yeah, there's a lot of space in here. Nice shelving, and you can do a lot with the space. Obviously, they are. Yeah. Okay.
So now, Rob, we're on the second floor.
Okay.
This is the common area. This is where the family's going to gather.
Yeah.
You can see a huge kitchen, dining room, living space, and also the garden behind us is just awesome space to have a coffee in the morning, watch the animals walk by.
All right. Yeah. This kitchen is massive. Yeah. This is really nice. All this. Oh yeah. Countertops really nice. You have a dishwasher, which is definitely not common in Panama, which is nice. Yeah, big refrigerator here. I mean, yeah, just tons of cabinet space. Yeah, very nice town. Plenty of outlets, which is also different from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the Clayton Albrook area, remember they're catering mostly to Americans.
Yes.
So you're going to see a lot different building standard here, larger spaces as opposed to a smaller space in the city. Really nice countertops, outlets all over the place.
Right. That's my biggest issue. It's like, oh, I can't find an outlet, right? But here you have plenty, which is very nice. Yeah. I could definitely. I mean, this is a kitchen and really just a space where you can entertain. I mean, yeah, really nice, very nice. That's your microwave over here. And have a little oven here. So, yeah.
You can fit a bird in there.
Absolutely. Very nice. So yeah, we have a small table here, but you could have a huge table.
I mean, you
here.
can have 10, 12 people that are easily in
Yeah,
one
very
footprint.
easy. Exactly. Very large space. So I like this. Even these accents here with the
crown
can
molding, yeah.
the crown molding, the can lighting. I love that there are ceiling fans everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fresh in here. They can't see it through the video, but it's very fresh in this room.
Yes. Oh yeah. I mean, you have this one AC unit here, but then with these fans, there is just total circulation of air. It feels very cool and comfortable in here. Very nice. Yeah.
And this is my favorite area.
Okay. Oh, this is so nice. Little bit of elevation, so you can just kind of see the rooftops.
Exactly, but it's surrounded by green space. The land here is very fertile. You can see with all the greenery and the trees, and the lot goes all the way back. So you've got a lot of privacy here.
Yeah. Oh, love this. Yeah, this is definitely. I can see spending a lot of time out here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the hangout. Love it. All right, so here we are in the living room, and I just love this open space.
Huge open space. You can have a really nice party here.
I was thinking the same thing. Yeah. And yeah, I mean, everything just flows from the kitchen into the dining room, right into here. I mean, it's
For
great.
all you Panamanian friends, it's easy to pack everyone in.
That's right. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, once again, ceiling fans, air circulation is just,
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah.
And even though you don't have those stunning views of the water like you're used to downtown,
Right.
looking out there at the jungle, the green space, very relaxing, very
It is.
tranquil.
It truly is. Wow. Muy tranquilo. That's what you say.
And then storage space again. There's a lot of storage space in these homes.
Yeah. Nice half bath. Well placed right off the living room. And yeah, this is a great storage space. There was actually another one down at the foot of the stairs too. So they're definitely taking advantage of all of the space that, you know.
With all the closet space we saw in the carport, here, downstairs, there's
Yeah.
no shortage of storage space for you.
Yeah, that's great. Mhm. Wonderful. And vented doors to keep the
Keep the airflow going, right?
Yeah, I like that.
Well, let's go upstairs and see the last 2 bedrooms then.
Okay, perfect.
They at the races.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Again, still good space. You know,
It
this
is.
is a full-size bed. You could easily fit a king in here.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this is a nice space, and this view is so just peaceful.
It is.
It is so peaceful. Yeah, the flowers, and yeah, I really love just the vegetation. You know, I mean, you see it somewhat in the city, but then when you come out here, you start to remember that Panama is it's a tropical rainforest, and you're starting to see that vegetation. I love it.
And it's common to see a lot of the wildlife around here as well. We had
Really?
the Yankees, capybaras. On our way in, we saw a couple of toucan flying overhead.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not going to get that downtown.
No, you're not. But I mean, we're still. I mean, what are we from Avenida Balboa? 15.
Not even 10 minutes, you get there quickly.
Wow.
Yeah, we're about 10 minutes from Avenue Balboa, 5 minutes from Albrook Mall.
Yeah.
So you can get to the train station pretty easily as well.
Sure. That's great. All right, so this is the shared bathroom here up on the 3rd level. And I love this tile here. That's very unique there. But yeah, nice bathroom here with a window so you can vent out. But yeah, nice, a very nice space, big shower. Yeah.
We hope that you enjoyed that tour as much as we did.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, I mean, the location of this duplex is actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's in the Albrook area, which Albrook actually used to be the old U.S. military zone. So all that entire area was right next to the Panama Canal, and that was all controlled by the U.S. military until about 2000. So yeah, I mean, it's a very quiet area. It's right next to the Metropolitan Park, so very green, very lush. Feels very different from Panama City, but
Yes.
yet it is still a part of Panama City, and you're still only about 15 minutes from the Cinco Costera. So
Yes, and I
Yeah.
love that it's so close to the Albrook Mall area
Yeah.
because you're going to do all of the shopping at that location. Like everything that you need is pretty much at Albrook. I mean, even from San Francisco, we go to
Yeah, we go to
Albrook
Albrook, yeah.
to do our shopping. But there was so much space in this duplex.
Yeah, yeah, there really was. I mean, you know, it was. What do you think it was really kind of geared toward the most in terms of you know, someone living there?
I mean, I think there's a lot of different options here of who this particular property would be best suited for. Like, I'm thinking if you are a family and you have some older, like teenagers, or, you know, maybe even young adults, because the primary bedroom is on the first level, and then the teenagers, you know, or young adults would be on the top third level. So there's a lot of space and separation there.
That's a good thing.
Yes, exactly. And then I could think of, you know, maybe there's a multi-generational situation. Maybe you're bringing your parents over, and you maybe want them to stay in the primary bedroom, and then you stay on the third level. And again, there's some separation, but you can accommodate, you know, those older parents.
Yeah, and they wouldn't have to worry about the stairs. Yeah,
Well, potentially. I mean, if they're going to the main living area, yes, but they wouldn't be climbing all the way to the third level.
Right.
For sure.
Very true. Yeah.
Yes. Or, you know, just for a couple that like really wants to spread out, maybe they want to use the 2 bedrooms upstairs as maybe like an office and a gym, or, you know, maybe just his room, her room, or they want to leave it as 2 guest bedrooms because they know that they're going to either have their children coming over to visit quite often, or just other friends and family.
Yeah. I mean, but overall, just, you know, that neighborhood, I mean, it was so quiet, and just, you look out the window and you see nothing but green, just all of the trees. It was very tranquil.
Yes. And I just like the space that was inside of the duplex. I mean, the kitchen was very large, as well as the dining area. I loved the terrace patio right off the kitchen. I could definitely see going out there and having coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
Also thought that the living room was really extra large as well.
Yeah, I mean, we could throw some serious parties in that house.
Yes, I mean, it really was, you know, a lot of space.
The flow from the kitchen into the living room and everything was just open. I love that type of floor plan.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, it is a 3-level duplex. So that would be something to kind of keep in mind. So if you don't mind the stairs, I mean, that would definitely give you a lot of living space.
Absolutely. Yeah. Hey, so if you are interested in a scouting trip or relocating to Panama, definitely subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Yes, and if you're interested in this property or properties similar to this, we will have our realtor's information in the description.
Yes, we will. And definitely check out our relocation resources at wanderopenroads.com/resources.
Yes, that is where we have our property checklist. So when you're out there viewing properties, you're going through that checklist to make sure that you don't miss anything.
That's right. So thank you so much for joining us, and we will catch you next time.
Wander safely.